Everyone, how did you feel when you woke up this morning? Was your mouth dry as a desert? Your throat sore, or did you have terrible bad breath? If so, it is 100% likely that you slept with your mouth wide open, doing mouth breathing last night. Do you say, "My nose is stuffed due to allergies, I can't help it"? Be careful. Every night you breathe through your mouth, your face is slowly and terribly collapsing. We call this the adenoid face. Here is a very famous photo on the internet. Twin sisters with identical genes, but their face shapes are completely different, right? One has a defined jawline and looks pretty, while the other has a long face and a receding chin. The only thing that made this difference was their breathing habit. When you breathe through your mouth, your tongue cannot stay on the roof of your mouth and drops to the floor. Then the force supporting the upper jaw disappears, causing the face to lengthen in the direction of gravity and the lower jaw to curl inward. In other words, the habit of mouth breathing is making you ugly. Even if you spend thousands on plastic surgery, if you don't fix this habit, it will go back. It's not just a beauty issue. It is more fatal to health. The nose has excellent filters called nose hairs and mucous membranes. They filter out dust, bacteria, and viruses from the air. But the mouth has no filter. When you breathe through your mouth, dirty pollutants in the air go straight to your tonsils and lungs like a highway. That's why mouth breathers catch colds all year round and suffer from tonsillitis. Moreover, oxygen absorption drops by 20% compared to nasal breathing. The reason you are tired no matter how much you sleep, your head is foggy, and your concentration drops is because your brain lacks oxygen. You are not sleeping right now. It's like you are being tortured with suffocation every night. So what is the solution? Should you use an expensive CPAP machine? No. A single paper tape you can buy at the pharmacy for $1 is enough. It is mouth tape. Before going to bed, just lightly stick the tape vertically in the center of your lips. Are you worried you might die of suffocation? Don't worry. Our body is smarter than you think. If the mouth is blocked, it automatically breathes through the nose. This small piece of tape forcibly closes your jaw, returns your tongue to its place, and expands your nostrils. The greatest gift of nasal breathing is nitric oxide. This gas, produced in the nasal cavity, when inhaling through the nose, is a natural medicine that expands blood vessels and strengthens lung function. The first morning after sleeping with mouth tape, you will experience a miracle. Wow, my throat doesn't hurt at all. How can my head be this clear? Getting a prettier face shape is a bonus. The real effect is that the quality of life changes. This is not just a TikTok challenge, but a proven health method recommended by ENT doctors. Stop by a pharmacy or store on your way home today and buy paper tape for skin or mouth strips. Never use duct tape or packaging tape with strong adhesive. Your lips will rip. You might want to peel it off at first, but just endure it for 3 days. The moment you feel your jawline returning and your morning condition changing, you won't be able to sleep without this tape for the rest of your life. Just by closing one mouth, your face becomes prettier and healthier. Is there any investment in the world with better cost performance than this? Seal your mouth tonight. That is the key to unsealing your beauty. If this video was helpful, please leave a comment. I will sleep with my mouth closed from today.